Get to know how to navigate Xref's platform with this short video. Starting with requests, you can see the survey requests you have made, along with the status of each request. Here are all the people you have surveyed. Their profiles will list all checks and surveys taken. Insights provides access to all the aggregated data from your completed surveys and shows trends from key metrics. The Surveys tab is your list of survey templates available to be used for requests. At the top right, you have access to your organisation and personal account settings. View your subscription and configure your organisation settings, such as adding your brand, inviting users, and organising roles and permissions. Most importantly, wherever you are, you can always reach the Xref button, request references, background checks, pulse and exit surveys from the big green button. If you need help, click on the Resource Centre icon, this little grey book with the question mark, and you will have access to our product guides and tutorials. Or if you can't find what you need here, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Support to be taken to our frequently asked questions. And it's as simple as that. To learn how to build your first survey, watch our next video.